Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete photos in Picsart account, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your photos in Picsart account, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app guys, you'll be landed on this interface, which is the home interface of Picsart. Now in order to proceed to delete your photos, at the bottom of the screen guys, you can see a bunch of icons available for us, and at the bottom right corner there is the folder icon available for us just beside the plus button. Tap on the folder icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and you land over here. Currently you can see we are on the all sector of the Picsart, but we have the folders, projects and photos. By tapping on photos, all of the photos available on your Picsart account will be over here. Now in order to delete photos, simply tap and hold on the photo which you want to delete, and when this interface appears we can see the delete button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on delete and again tap on delete, and that photo will be deleted from your Picsart account. So that being done guys, this is how to delete photos in Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.